Shalom Hospital in Athi River township has been sealed off and will not take in any new patients after 3 COVID-19 positive patients died at the hospital while awaiting referral to other hospitals. 6 more patients and 1 health worker have tested positive after tests were conducted at the hospital. And as Ngina Kirori reports, tens of people who had gone to visit their loved ones or pick up the remains of their loved ones were left stranded as security agencies and county officers maintained tight security at the gate.
Patients seeking services at the Shalom Hospital in Machakos County were turned away. The hospital had been sealed off and declared a coronavirus containment zone. The move by the Machakos County government is aimed at stopping the situation from snowballing into a crisis following the death of 3 patients at the hospital as a result of the coronavirus. There are fears that other inpatients had been infected while at the facility.
Tumekuja kutoa rafiki yetu hapa na we are stranded. There is no communication from the hospital and we are wondering.
A statement by Dr. Helen Omari from the hospital confirms that the facility has recorded 7 cases. 6 were patients and 1 was a member of staff. They have all been isolated. 125 patients are admitted at the hospital, and it remains unclear how many persons those carrying the virus interacted with prior to the admission. The hospital management is further appealing to Kenyans visiting hospitals to make full disclosures while seeking treatment to minimize risks to other patients and hospital staff.
The DG has released guidelines in terms of how healthcare facilities can ensure that we're preventing cross-infection, all the way from the entrance of the hospital, a triage mechanism that ensures patients are triaged. Those who may be presenting with symptoms of cough, any COVID-like symptoms with fever, they're actually filtered in one pathway and disaggregated from other patients.
Shalom Hospital is not closed. Shalom is still operational. It still has 125 patients in there. In fact, there is one we are following up closely. And we are doing testing of the staff that are there just to know the extent of the disease within the facility.
The crisis at Shalom Hospital now exposes the fears doctors and nurses have on several occasions raised over the preparedness of hospitals to handle the pandemic. Ngina Kirori, NTV.